everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So welcome back to another Christmas DIY series. Today I will be creating a Grinch door hanger using this bell ornament that I purchased from the Dollar Tree about 2 years ago. Yeah, so it's just been sitting. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some white paint first, and then I will apply some green paint over that, but I'm going to allow this to dry first. I have allowed my white to dry. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the green paint. Okay, I just wanted to apply a little bit at a time. So now that our green has dried, now we can go ahead and add on our Grinch decal. If you all have seen my previous video, then you've seen me do this a number of times. The only thing is, my sheet isn't big enough to apply the whole decal, so I'll be doing it piece by piece. Okay, so my decal is on, and now the next thing I'm going to do is just start adding all of the embellishments that I want to add on. So I have this little tool that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to wrap this a couple times so that I can create like a bow. I got like this little hanging, this little last little piece here that was hanging off, so I just cut that off, and I'm going to use this to wrap around the bow. From the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to remove the tag, and these are a bit tough, so make sure you have some good scissors, and if not, you can just tuck it, which is what I'm going to do anyway. So I want to keep everything in the order in which it's already in. I just want to make it smaller, so I'm just going to start bending the wires so that everything can be touching each other. Now I can go ahead and apply this to the tool. Okay, so I'm going to place a generous amount of hot glue to make sure everything is touching the tool. Okay, so this is how we're looking so far. Now I'm going to go ahead and just place a little bit more glue down, or maybe like some of the little limbs here. Make sure that it's touching the tool. Hold it down for a few seconds. And then I can so far. I like it. It's a little tool at the bottom. Okay guys, so here is the final reveal. I like the way that it turned out. Really nice, quick, and easy. So if you all like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share it with your family and friends. But we still have more videos coming soon, so stay tuned. Bye.